Close your eyes now. Let's do the forgiveness now. Inhale and exhale with a hold in between. And be aware of your breath, which is the breath of life. It's that which makes this body alive, the breath of life, or the life force, or prana. That's why we have pranic healing because of this prana. Inhale, hold, and exhale. Hold, inhale, hold, and exhale. Hold, inhale. Follow your breath, be aware of your breath. Be aware of the breath of life, filling every cell of your body with luminous lights, turning each particle of your body into mini stars, mini suns, like bright, like sparklers inside your body. Inhale and exhale. The power of breath, it lights up your whole body. It gives energy into every cell of your body. And especially if any part of your body is hurting or blocked or stiff, put more light in those areas. If it's stiff or blocked, that means there's darkness in there. In that part of your body is dark. So I want you to infuse light in those dark corners of your body, dark areas. And even your animosity, even your slight anger, irritation, or distraught over these people, I want you to inhale brilliant light and change that anger into more light, into love, hatred into love, any animosity into acceptance. Accept these people in your life. They are part of your growth. They are there for you to learn your lesson. Maybe patience is your number one weakness, and you need to learn that patience. And this person is the one that tests your patience to the max. Inhale, exhale, and look at number one person. It could be a whole group, but there's one person that's really the most tiring, trying person, trying your patience so difficult to control. When you see them, you get like really flared up. Put that person in the middle and keep your awareness on your breath. And for each breath that you inhale, you have more light. As you exhale, I want you to exhale and share your light to these people in front of you. Share your light. Be aware of your heart as well. Inhale more light, loving energy into your heart. Hold. Exhale, share the love that you have to these people in front of you. Remember, you have to line up these people as a group, first row, second row, third row, fourth row, if you have so many. But each exhalation, you share the light and the love that you have to these people that you need to forgive or you need to accept in your life. This is a two-way traffic. They had hurt you, that's why you have grievances or resentments. But remember, you had hurt them as well. It's not a one-way traffic, it's two-way traffic. So as you inhale and exhaling, that's why you have to share your light and your love. Just in case you send darkness or darts on them, you have to neutralize that. You have to turn that into light, into love. Okay, now we shall invoke. Be aware of your crown. You need the help of the higher ups, high beings, for you to be able to forgive easily. Because as humans, it's hard for you to forgive if you're in the victim mode. If you're in the say, oh my gosh, he did it to me. She screamed at me. She yelled at me. She did not respect me. If you go to that mode, you will not forgive. So let's help in the power of God to allow us to easily forgive. To the Divine God, Father God, Mother God, to Master Chokak Sui, beloved teacher, to Lord Mahagujumiling, to all I would like to invoke for Lord Buddha Kuan Yin, the goddess of mercy, goddess of love and compassion, to all the saints, to all the archangels, to all the holy angels, especially the psychotherapy angels, the angels of families, the angels of relationships, angels of harmony, angels of peace, angels of joy, angels of forgiveness and compassion, angels of mercy, angels of love, angels of light, and angels of power, to the angels of harmony and bliss, to the angels of protection, to all the healing angels, healing misters, to all the great, great ones, to all the invisible helpers, to our higher soul, the divine spark. We humbly invoke for your divine presence to everyone participating this session. We invoke for your presence in their lives, presence in their families, to continually guide them, continually heal them, and continually expand their loving quality, expand their heart center, heart chakra, to be able to easily forgive those who trespass against them, those to easily ask for forgiveness to the people that they had hurt. Thank you for your presence. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your care. Now I want you to put your hand in the blessing position. Visualize this whole group of people lined up or in rows. And you remember you're the one in the middle because they all revolve around your life. You all have issues with them and they have issues with you, whoever these people are. Some with faces because you still remember them. Some with no faces, you don't remember anymore, but at one point in your life you had hurt them or they had hurt you. It's good sometimes you have no good memory. You forget, then you don't harbor that resentment. You don't always think of the victim that you are. So just no faces. But if you do, yeah, put all the faces. Put your whole family, put your children if you are having issues with your children, and a special child, put them in the middle. Inhale, exhale, love from the heart. Bless them with love, pink loving energy from your heart. Uh, a bubble of pink light around them, around the whole group, around this one person. Or if it's your neutralizing relationship with self, just yourself, I want you to project love to yourself. And that loving energy, which is a bubble of pink light around them, is also inside every cell of the body. Their whole body is submerged in that loving energy. I have no choice but to love you back. You're giving all love, no judgments, no if, no, you did this to me, nothing. Don't go back to the past. Just bless them for a better relationship, better future. Just a lot of love, a lot of love. Pink sauce going to every cell of the body. Pink sauce, marinate each cell of the body in a pink sauce, like a teriyaki sauce, but a pink sauce, very nice pastel pink color. The whole group to yourself or that special person that you're having issues with. Like a lot of loving energy. Don't be stingy on your love from your heart. Inhale love and then share that love to the whole group in front of you or to yourself or to that special person that you need to neutralize the relationship. And if this one person is could to be your husband, your wife, your child, or a best friend or a boss, visualize that you're already talking in good terms. That you when you interact with when you interact with each other, you're more civilized. You're not shouting at each other. You're not bossing each other around. You're not playing ego out of ego. You're not proving you're the best or you're the authority and you have to insist your way. You're listening now to the other side. You're more empathic. You're more sensitive to the needs of the other person, not just your needs, not just winning the game. It's not about winning who's better. It's about loving and being equal, being same ranking as the other side. No superiority here. No, like I'm better than you, I'm older than you. Listen to me. I'm your father, I'm your mother, I'm your husband who's much older than you. Listen to me. No authoritative. Just being friendly, freely communicating, talking to each other. From the heart, you talk to each other, not from the solar plexus. Just visualize you're talking from the heart. You're like hugging. You can hug this person that you haven't hugged for a long time because you're always fighting, you're always bickering each other. See that you're hugging this person. If it's your husband, wife, you can also visualize you kissing them. Hugging, kissing. Cheeks is okay. Doesn't have to have lips to lips. But at least I want you to visualize that you're two are. If you're in the process of divorce, you don't have to do lips to lips. Just bless them. And, so, and now is the time to say, I'm sorry, my love. I was harsh to you. I was so strict. I was so nasty to you. I'm sorry for my attitude. I want you to forgive me. Now I know I was so arrogant. I was so like very authoritative, very domineering. And I am sorry for ruling your life. I'm sorry for making you act and speak the way I want you to speak or act. But I know that's not right. Because as I want my own freedom, I know you want your freedom as well. So I set you free. I'm not gonna be criticizing you anymore. I'm not gonna be dictating what you have to say, what you have to do, how you have to dress up. I will let you be you, your unique you. So just bless them with love, with understanding, with a lot of patience, and with a lot of tolerance. Come from a point of view, from an understanding mother, understanding father, understanding wife, understanding husband, understanding friend. So I forgive you for being a rebel. I forgive you for screaming at me at one point or many times in our togetherness. I forgive you for being harsh to me. I realized I was also harsh to you. That's why you treated me like this. From now on, I'll treat you with more respect, with more joy. I'll treat you with more harmony, with more sweetness and tenderness. I realized I was expecting you to love me, to be nice to me, and I wasn't nice to you. So I am sorry for my actions. I'm truly sorry. Again, forgiveness is about coming from the heart, okay? Not just from the mind. I'm truly sorry for all the harm I've done to you, for all the verbal abuse, for all the screaming, for any negative thoughts I've sent to you, any critical thoughts I've done. I am sorry for my share. And I want to let you know that I truly, truly love you. And I really want to have a relationship fix. I really want to have a very good communication with you. I really want us to understand each other from a deeper level. I truly love you. I want to let you know if I haven't expressed it in person that I love you. I want to let you know now that I really, really love you. You're my husband, you're my wife, you're my son, you're my daughter, you're my friend, you're my boss, you're my co-worker, you're my co-pranic, whoever they are. And if it's about you, say you are an amazing soul. I have so much respect for you. You have done such a good job, a fantastic job. You have accomplished so much in life. Praise yourself, praise yourself. So you look amazing, you look beautiful, and not only that, you're also smart, you're intelligent, you're street smart, not just smart, you're street smart and very knowledgeable. You're powerful, you talk to yourself. Whatever insecurities you have, say you are powerful. You have the confidence you can do this. I know you can because such a great person, human being, God sake, you're such a great soul. Praise yourself if you want to forgive yourself. Say, I forgive you for criticizing yourself in the past, for putting yourself down, for blaming yourself over and over. I forgive you for all these thoughts that you had produced. I know you have your own light that sparkles brightly in one corner of the room, you can light up the whole room. No need to hide anymore. You're such a great soul, great spirit, and I see your light brightly growing brightly each day. Praise yourself, love yourself. Say, I love you, myself. I love you. You're such an asset to the society. You're such an asset to the family. Don't say you're the black sheep. You're the bad, whatever the rotten apple in the basket of the family. Of don't say that. Say you are an amazing asset to our family. I'm so proud of you. You are a gift of God, from God to this earth. So talk nicely to you and see yourself smiling, acknowledging your praises to him or her. And then that special person, not you, whoever that person that you need to bless, see them smiling, understanding you, accepting your forgiveness. Okay. And then now I want us to forgive. I want you to apply the gratitude. Say, I thank you for being, for your presence in my life. I thank you for all the lessons that you had shown me, that you had taught me. I thank you for being my daughter, my son, my husband, my wife, for being my friend. I thank you. I thank God for sending you to me. I'm grateful to the angels that had delivered you to my life. Thank you for being my friend. Thank you for being my mother. Thank you for being my daughter. Thank you for being my partner in life, whoever it is. And if it's yourself, thank you for being you. You're you are unique. There's no one else in the world who is like you. I love your uniqueness, and I love all the talents that God has blessed you with. You are a star in my life. You are a star. You're a shining star. I love you, and I'm so grateful for being you. And to the whole crowd that you have in front of you, to all of you, I want to ask forgiveness for my share in all our squabbles, our own misunderstandings, whatever I've said to you that you didn't like. I am sorry. And whatever negative thoughts I've sent to you in the past that you did not hear, but I've sent them, I am sorry for my ignorance, that I am ruining not only you, but also myself. I'm sorry for hurting each one of us. And I forgive you if you had said anything bad to me as well. Negative words, negative thoughts, negative actions in the past. The past is past. That's already part of our what we call past life. In this life, past life, in this life. And maybe reason why we're having issues this life because we have unresolved issues in the past. So I would like to resolve our conflict this lifetime so we don't continue the conflict next life. Let may God bless us. May our teacher Master Cho bless all of us. May all the angels of forgiveness, angels of love, and angels of gratitude bless each one of us. Bless everybody in my whole group, if you have a big group. May you all be blessed by God, by the angels of love, angels of light, and angels of power. May the angels, the psychotherapy angels heal you emotionally, mentally, and spiritually. May all the gods in your religion, in our religion, they all conspire, work together as one to bless us massively with divine love, divine light, divine power, with divine forgiveness, with divine gratitude, with divine joy, with divine peace, with good health, long life, with prosperity and spirituality. May everyone be blessed. May every person in this group and the people they need to forgive be blessed. And let's send blessings to the cousin of Christabel, who had passed away yesterday. Let's bless her soul. Mm, let's bless her soul with peace, with greater spirituality, with joy as she transitions to the inner world, as she goes to God's hands, God's heaven, God's home. Uh, uh, yeah, the cousin of Cristobal from Ecuador. Uh, I forgot. Jimena Peña Herrera. Her name is Jimena Peña Herrera. I don't know how old is she, but however old is the soul that we're blessing. May you be blessed with peace, with joy. May you rest in peace. May you travel. May you have your journey at peace and with joy. as you go to God's heaven, God's abode. Okay. So now, anyone more that you need to forgive extra blessings. Those who are undergoing divorce, I want you to see the whole divorce proceeding smooth. Bless the whole court, bless the judge, bless the lawyer, bless your lawyer, bless the lawyer, that everything will come into a harmonious resolution, and that you're done with your husband because you've totally forgiven your husband for whatever he had done. That's why you started the divorce. That he will give you what you're asking for, and everybody will be amicably settling. The lawyers talking to each other. You have to remove any animosity, any lingering pain, any lingering the criticalness to your husband. Release just love, 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 accept, accept, accept. Forgive, forgive, forgive your husband. Okay? This has to happen, but you don't need to delay it until you release your pain, until you let go, until you forgive the husband. It will continue for years and years. So let's do this once and for all. Completely forgive your husband, let go, and release him from the bondage. And for the next life, you're free. You're not gonna be entangled anymore. So now's the time to neutralize this relationship. Forgive, forgive, forgive your kids as well, your husband, whoever around you, everyone, not just your husband, everyone involved in the drama of your life. It's time to end this drama, okay? Okay, your mom too, whoever your mom, bless your mom, and instead of like feeling bad about your mom, whatever transpired, say thank you, mom, for all your sacrifices in raising me up. Thank you for all the love. Thank you for all the energy. Thank you for all the money that you spent to feed this body, to make sure I grow right. To all the education expense you did, for all the clothing, for all the food, the toys, everything else that you have done for me, for all the everything that your mom and dad spent on you. Remember that they had done a lot of sacrifice to help you grow to be an adult. So whatever pain that you have and cannot forgive, time to forgive that, to understand from her point of view why she did what she did. What she did at that time is what she knew how to raise you, and with the resources that she had at that time, with the maturity that she had at that time. You cannot judge her now. Okay, just bless her with gratitude. Thank you, mom. Thank you, dad. Thank you to all those who took care of me growing up, raising me up. Thank you, thank you. Okay, my husband, I forgive you. I thank you for being here for me, keeping me company, protecting me, providing for our family, for giving me blessing with wonderful kids. You can tell that to your husband. Okay, thank you for being there, being the man, the rock in the house to protect us with your masculine power. Thank you for being kind to our kids. Thank you for being, remember only the nice things that your husband did to you, not the annoying things. Thank you for being nice to me. Thank you for feeding me. Thank you for providing shelter to me if you have a home or apartment. Thank you for everything that you've done to me. Say thank you, husband. I love you. Say I practice the art of gratitude for all the good things that they have done. Okay. Okay, now, Gabriela, parents, daughters, husband, sibling, I want you to visualize your whole clan, three generations. You, your siblings, your husband's family, and your children, okay? The whole clan. Visualize that. Okay, bless your whole family with lots of harmonious relationship, love, peace, and joy. The whole clan. So the family will be happy together. Okay, just keep on blessing your family with love, with joy. Be happy inside and be infectious. Let your joy be infectious. Share to your whole family. So there's no more infighting. There's no more like, you did this to me. No more. You just think of each other with joy. You just And remember the times that we were enjoying each other's company. No more harping on whatever, the conflict or disagreements you had done. No more. Don't recall that memory. Or recall the happy moments when you were giggling, joking, laughing so hard that you cannot even breathe. Okay, there are moments that you were good together. Remember only that. Okay, see. Now we will do closing invocation to the Divine Supreme God, Divine Father, Divine Mother, to my teacher, Master Chokusi, Lord Mahal Jamiling, Lord Buddha Kuan Yin, to all the holy gurus, holy masters, holy teachers, to all the saints, to all the archangels, to all the holy angels, to the angels of light, love, and power, to the angels of love, forgiveness, and gratitude, to the angels of joy, to the angels of peace, to the angels of com, 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 compassion, angels of mercy, to the angels of wisdom, to the angels of prosperity and success and abundance, to the angels of spirituality and harmony. We humbly and we, to all the great ones who were here with us, who had helped in one way or another in the healing of relationships, we thank you. We thank you all in full faith. We thank you for healing us. We thank you for processing our emotions towards these certain people in our life. We thank you for allowing us to forgive completely the people that block our energy for more prosperity, for more good health. Thank you from your heart. Thank you. Thank you. In full faith, we thank you all. We thank you. Okay, can open your eyes now.